Thank you so much for joining me today. Go ahead and find absolutely any comfortable seat or position. If your back is bothering you today, or maybe you're just feeling a little bit tired or drained, you're more than welcome to gently lay down on your back, bend the knees, and place the soles of the feet on the earth. And take your time setting up and allow yourself to get completely comfortable. And once you're settled, softly close the eyes, allowing the top eyelashes to rest on the bottom. Relax the shoulders down away from your ears. Tune in to how you're feeling today. And truly connect with a deeper breath. And just allowing each inhale and exhale to be fully savored. Allowing it to nourish your body, your mind, and your spirit. And finding 3 deep breaths together. Draw a deep inhale through the nose, guiding your breath into your belly, into your chest. And take a big, slow exhale through your mouth. Two more just like that. Inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into your belly, into your chest. And take a big, slow exhale through your mouth. One more. Inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into your belly, into your chest, and exhale through the lips. And draw right back to your natural breath, keeping it deep and slow. In the mind's eye, visualize yourself seated on the forest floor. Imagine how the gentle, pure air feels on your skin. And picture the birds surrounding you and gently singing to you. Imagine the blue sky overhead, giving you gentle, soft rays of sunshine. Imagine the leaves gently dancing in the wind around you. And picture the smell of the crisp earth that you're seated on. That smell of soil and brush around you. Allow yourself to focus on each deep breath, visualizing the serene forest landscape that surrounds you. If your mind starts to wander, just gently and lovingly bring it back to your breath without any self-criticism. Keep your focus on the here and the now. And there's nothing you need to do at the moment. You're allowed to completely just be. You're allowed to surrender to the stillness around you and fully soak it up. You're allowed to relax. And finding one more deep breath together, and draw a deep inhale through the nose, guiding your breath into the belly, into the chest, and take a big slow exhale through the mouth. Come back to your natural breath already. And start to slowly wiggle the fingers and the toes. And flutter the eyes open like a butterfly slowly opening up its wings. Welcome yourself back to the space around you. I hope that you're able to take this peace that you've cultivated for yourself into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me.